fourth tip is now about the water outlet. It is important that you choose a wide enough pipe for the water outlet, because if you use a small pipe, you will have more frictional pressure losses and less water output. For example, for the 0.5 HP, you can use 1 1/4 inch pipe or even 1.5 inch pipe like this one. But why use 1.5 inch? Because according to Hunter friction table, for every 100 meter distance and 12 GPM water flow, so the Sunlight pump water flow, there is a 3.82 PSI loss with 1 inch and just 0.48 PSI loss with 1.5 inch. You can connect this kind of pipe to the 1 inch pipe you have inserted into your flexible hose on the outlet, and then you can amplify this pipe with some PVC accessories like this one, and then you can connect a bigger pipe.